Papa, na your son Norode na him write dis letter. I want make you know say things don dey change for me. As I dey talk to you now, I don comot for dat your old house wey be like cage. I don dey pack my load. But I wan tell you something wey be say I feel say you suppose know. Papa, dat your fine shoe wey you keep for house, I don sell am o. I don use the money buy small thing wey I wan dey use for where I dey go. Dat your goat wey you dey rear, I don chop am me with the gate man. Dat man dey wicked well well o. You chop the liver, e leave the bone for me. Papa used to think am na. So bye bye. If you no see goat again,